head to a boat party. I've got Dave around the corner here. Hey! I just finished doing my makeup. It's pretty intense. I don't know if I'm digging the lip color, but I just need to pack my little bag. It's like a singles boat party that we're going to, so it's gonna be pretty cool. We are finally ready. This is Bella.
Hi!
Here's our little outfit.
Little outfit.
Here's our outfits.
We are ready to go.
We're just waiting on Beck. She's got to put some moisturizer on her legs. Ordering a drink.
First things first, we need an espresso martini.
You do. What are you going to say, Dave? Nothing?
Time to wake up.
Gonna smile. So excited for a drink. That's some good shaking.
Is that recording?
Yes.
Hi guys, so we are in the Uber. As you can see, that's Beck, Kirstie, we've got Davey in the front. Yeah,
Davey,
don't confuse him for Canadian, he's American. So we're just going to the boat and hopefully we're going to see some cute boys there. What do you reckon, girls?
I feel like there's none.
There's definitely going to be some. Kirstie's now singing, that's great.
I got a question.
Yes,
Yeah.
what you
And
tell
someone,
Yeah.
you started, can you start it any other way other than hi guys?
I think
Is there
it's
another
like,
way?
there's a thing with radio, the thing with
That is
radio
a very
is that
good
you're only
question,
talking
that.
to one person, so when you're on air you say you, so whenever you're referring to someone you say, hey, so if you want to get involved, cfm.com.au, you never say, hey guys, because that makes it sound like, I don't know, it makes it sound not inclusive, but if you just say you, because you're usually in your car listening on your own.
Yeah. Unless you
I
got
would
some
assume
friends,
it's
I
the
mean,
same with vlogging, is that if you say, if you're watching this right now, blah, blah, it's like, it's more inclusive than say
But
you guys.
Yeah, but everyone starts their videos off, or their
do that?
Mason even does it.
Like-
I'm gonna put you on the spot. Here's the intro. Go.
Oh, don't do that. I was just had a question.
Bella here. 90.9, no, sorry, I need to stop.
Got a bit of that sunlight lighting going on.
Yeah.
Yeah, but thanks for letting me
Cheers. What is this game?
Yeah.
So it's like, I was thinking champagne, but
Yeah.
it's a bit better.
Cheers. This tastes like your boat.
It's good.
It's too
Can you clap for some service, please, Bella?
Well, we just had to go on a singles boat party.
Clap so they can hear you.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, can you clap like a real clap?
Blinded by the light. We're not on that stage tonight yet. We're not on that stage tonight.
Words, the next one. Blinded by the light.
Letting go where that came from, okay? It's a friendship meeting. Cheers, everyone. No one's got any alcohol. Found some friends with alcohol.
Just trying to play my part. I'm addicted. I just can't get this. They go drop the glasses.